This is the interior of the regular A5. The human-centric. We're gonna have the Audi Intelligence. It's gonna be the operated with GPT. We have Alcantara. It's probably gonna be a special package. Looks like wireless phone charger right there to USB. Camera system right there. It's very clear, bigger screen right there. This is similar to the Q4 controls. Heat steering wheel, you change the views. Over here again, each side changes. It's a cool upper. And the best part, it's one continuous sunroof, one piece. Look at the back.
So right now, everybody loves the A5 Sportback. If you notice, even though this is a sedan, it has more of a coupe-like silhouette, giving you that Sportback feeling. However, not officially going to be called Sportback. But look at this back area. This looks really similar to the Sportback that we currently have, right? The luggage compartment is a little lower as well, making it easier to move around. So it's not all that
I wonder if they changed. It used to be 261, right?
No, I know, but is that going to be horsepower is the same?
When I was doing the online training, it said less, which it cannot be. Like, it's gotta be like
Front rear right there.